Go to the Tools panel of Affinity Photo and select the elliptical marquee tool. Create a selection up in the corner there. Just create that. Now I'm using Add and Feather 0. What I can now do is, with that selected still and Add, I can now change the feather. And I'm just going to go for something like 150, something like that. You can vary it, of course. But I've created it up here. Now I'm going to create a selection now again here. Don't go too close to the bottom there, otherwise you might end up going too far and the feather will go over the edge. Now this is blurred, this is sharp. Go to Layer and New Layer because I want to add some pixels. So I'm just going to quickly go to here, the gradient tool, and add the default gradient. And you can see what happens. You've got this sharp edge around here and you've got the blurriness there. And you can of course vary it. You can just turn around and say, you know what? And that's linear. You can also go for, say, radial. So radial, and just apply it like that. Create a variety of different designs with a lovely shadow effect. So once you're happy with that, you can go to Layer and down to New Pattern Layer from Selection. So you can create a lovely selection with this. Resize this, just maybe like that, and maybe hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design. So you can create some very interesting three-dimensional designs very quickly using that shadow effect with the sharp edge of that sphere. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.